सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल प्रियंका नारायण को और दबाएं इस बेल आइकन को ताकि आपको मिले मेरे वीडियोस सबसे पहले और ये बिल्कुल फ्री है। Guys, welcome to my channel, and you can see my window and also you can see my phone. I'm sorry for that. So today we are going to do this gorgeous Arabic eyes makeup look, and the palette which I'm using is the same palette, the Chocolate Vice palette from Makeup Revolution. And yes, this is only an eye look, so I'm not going to do any face makeup as such. So I'm applying my concealer. The concealer is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand. Apply it in dots onto your eyelids as well as your under eyes, and blend it with any makeup sponge or beauty blender. The one which I'm using is the PAC Beauty Sponge. This is a beginner's eye makeup tutorial, so you'll find it a bit easy, and the palette is also an affordable palette. You can find it on Amazon. Blend it properly. I'm now going to take a fluffy brush, and then I'm going to take this shade. I'm sorry, I'll turn it like that. Yes, you can take this shade and apply it all over your eyelids. After we apply concealer, we need to set that with a powder. So this is what I'm doing. You have to apply it on whole of your eyelids like that. Keep your hands lightly. Don't press your brush onto your eyelids. And I forgot to do my brows, so I'll quickly do my brows. I've already done a brow tutorial, so if you haven't seen that, please go and check it out. It's also a beginner friendly tutorial, so you can do it at home easily without much equipments as such. Brushes. Using the same concealer, the same palette, and everything the same. Okay. So now I'm again going to set my eyelids with that powder because I had applied concealer again. Now I'm going to take this shade. I was confused as to which shade to take, so I finalized on this shade, pinkish one. This will be my transition shade, and I'm applying it onto my eyelids in a to and fro motion from the outer corner towards the inner corner. Blend it properly. There should not be any harsh lines. Take a little product at a time, don't take much. Quickly brush it to and fro. now going to take another shade, the shade which was beside that one, this pinkish brownish shade, and this will be my crease shade. Apply it in a similar fashion. Now the shadow is more concentrated on the outer corner of my eyes because this is an elongated eye look. Since this is an Arabic eye look, so you need to elongate your eyes. The shadow will be elongated as well as the eyeliner will be dramatically elongated to create this look. So now we can see some color popping out. Take a little product at a time and keep adding to the color. Okay, so now we can see some color. Now I'm going to take this light shade from the palette and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. This is to remove any fallout which must have occurred. I just want to clean my eyelids so that the other shade which I apply on my eyelids pop out properly. But actually that shade did not conceal much, so I'm using again that white shade to do that job. You can actually use a concealer for this purpose, but since this is a beginner's friendly tutorial, so I'm closing my window because the light was too harsh and we could not see any color change and all. So applying this white shade to conceal. This deposits the shadow on the place where you apply it. It doesn't blend that much, so it serves its purpose of depositing colors. I'm just spreading that color onto only my eyelids. I'm not spreading it again towards the corner of my lids, but just on my eyelids. After this, I'm going to just use my fingers to apply the same glitter shade. Glitter shades are best applied with fingers. If you try to apply them with your brush, it won't pop out as much. This is neither too shimmery or glittery nor that subtle. It's a nice look which you can wear on parties and occasions as such. If you don't like glitters, you can always use this shade. So now the eyeshadow portion is over. Now we'll start applying the eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I'm wiping my finger on my pants. So the eyeliner which I'm going to use is the Maybelline eyeliner. What is that called? The Maybelline gel eyeliner. But I'm using a different brush, the Vega eyeliner brush, because the brush which comes with the Maybelline eyeliner is not that precise, I think. And this brush is quite a nice brush to create wings like that. I first create a line outside on the outer corner of my eyes like that, and I check whether both of them are equal. Now this is an actual test. Never have both of my wings been perfect, matching to each other. Never. But that's okay. Applying eyeliner is a real skill. You might know that if you have struggled applying eyeliners. So I'm applying it above my lashes to where we should apply, and slowly I'm extending it towards the outer corner. Don't let any mosquito bite you at this point of time, or else your eyeliner look will get ruined. Do this very slowly. Try to merge the corners to the central part of your eyelids. I hope you understand what I'm saying. After doing that, extend the liner towards the tight line. No, waterline. I'm sorry. Towards the waterline, towards your lower lash line. Like that. Fill the gaps and extend your eyeliner towards your lower lash line. This is such a dangerous work to get things perfect in eyeliner matters. Apply it on whole of your lash line, lower lash line. We will also apply a kajal, so I'm not applying this on my waterline. But you can always apply this on your waterline. It's totally safe and it stays intact. Trying to be artistic there. The next step will be to create inner corners. The upper line and the lower line have to be joined again on the inner corner of my eyes and creating an inner eye corner look, if you understand what I'm saying. So join it. Create a pointed kind of look. Creating an almond eye kind of a shape. This elongates the eye again, so this step is necessary for the Arabic eye look. So now I'm applying my kajal. The kajal which I am using is, which one is this? The Oriflame The One Kajal. It's a nice kajal again. This also doesn't spread smudge easily and it stays for a longer time. Apply it on whole of your eyelid. Waterline. Don't leave any gaps as such. And I'm happy. Finally, I'm taking the same shaded brush. I have the same shaded brush and I use it for every purpose. So I'm cleaning that and I'm now going to, take this black eyeshadow and I'm going to smudge my kajal so that we get a kind of smoky eye look there to intensify the kajal, sorry. Okay, so you can see that I've already done that blending and all. And now, yes, I did apply falsies off screen, so I'm applying the mascara to merge my falsies with my original lashes and to give them volume and a bit of curl. This is the Maybelline colossal mascara. Doing that on my other eye as well. And yes, here my tutorial is over. Please like my video and do subscribe if you enjoyed my videos. Take care. Bye.